All right, there it is. So I'm going to jump in. So today we're talking about time management, or I like to let a little cat out of the bath, the myth of time management and what that really is. All right. So before we start, I want to do a little figure out who's in the room. So you got your message, your comments. We're going to do 3 rounds of this or that. I'm going to ask you a question and you put in the comment your response, right? So this or that. You say whichever one the option are, right? So the first question is simple. Would you rather have a dog with a cat's personality or a cat with a dog's personality? Which one? If you rather have a dog with a cat's personality, put dog in there. If you rather have a cat with a dog's personality, put cat in the chat. Would you rather dog with a cat's personality or cat with a dog's personality? Let's see what I got here. I can't see the screen. Anybody want to share what they said and why?
You can't see all the screens?
I can't. Let me see now. I'm seeing dog. We got Rucker dog. We got some dogs. All right. We dog with a cat personality. For me, I love dogs. I don't really necessarily like cat personalities, but I guess if I had to have one, I'd stick with the dog with the cat personality. The next one, would you rather be able to would you rather be able to run 100 miles an hour? You're safe, all that good stuff's taken care of. You run through walls, all that stuff's taken care of, or fly at a good pace, 10 miles an hour. Put run in the chat or fly. Run or chat. Run for run, fly for fly. I think I'd rather fly. There you go. So got one fly, dog. Run. Dex with the run. Would you rather run or fly? Go ahead and throw it in the chat. Run or fly. Oh, we got to fly. All right, let's keep it rocking. All right, would you rather live out of space or under the sea? And you can decide out of space or under the sea. Again, you're safe as ever. All that good stuff. I guess we technically are out of space. The sea is within the space, so I will put out of space. All right, last one. Would you rather be able to change your past or see into the future? Change your past or see into the future? Woo! I'm copping out on that one. I think I'm gonna say see into the future. And real talk, that's really what I think what our conversation is about today. We're talking about time management. We're talking about really managing what our goals are and what we do in our life. And what we do today, as they say, completely impacts the future, right? Your choices that you're making today, right now, is impacting your tomorrow. And that's just science and math. I just want to give you a little flow of where we're trying to go. Here's the flow chart right here. So we may get to these, we may not, but hopefully these objectives need to be touched. We're going to discuss the difference between time management and managing tasks. For how to really identify priorities that lead to the accomplishment of your major life goals, and then give you a little bit of tips and strategies for managing these priorities. Give you some rubber meets the road, not just all in the air concepts, all right? So as I said earlier, I'm Courtney Rollins. I'm a real estate investing wholesaler, real estate investing coach, personal development coach, been an educator, teacher, all that good stuff, yada, yada, here to say that I'm very passionate about this work and helping people actualize their power in their lives. That's one of my life purposes, in fact. And so real quick, this is how we actually going to connect this. I need you to pause. We're going to pause for a couple of seconds, and I'm going to ask everybody to think about this and write this down, and we're going to get responses. So what's your legacy? The fact of the matter is that, from my understanding, we all going to leave this earth one day. You are going to pass away one day. It is a reality. What do you want people to say or have said about you after you have passed away? All right, so what are 3 things that you want people to have said about you, your life, however you interpret that, after you have passed away? And I also want you to move on to think about, you can jot these down or you can just keep them in your mind, but I want you to think about 3 things that you have accomplished that were super important for you before you are gone. All right, we're going to take 2 minutes, think about it, and then I'm going to ask 1 or 2 people to share, all right?